Oh, this looked like an older bottle. Yeah, it does. It says something on there.
Today we were down by the Aqua ski area, and this is where a lot of people come down and check out the show that they put on. They'll do a lot of tricks in this area here. They'll come over, hit that jump. So I'm planning on finding some trash in here from, you know, spectators, stuff flying in the water, and also whatever's out there that people drop when they're skiing.
What is a longboard doing out here? That's crazy. Hasn't been down there too long. Well, someone had a bad day losing a nice wrench. Brand new. Pretty much in the middle of nowhere right here. There's a wrench right there. Never know what you find. Balsam shampoo, same kind. Oh, this looked like an older bottle. Yeah, it does. It says something on there. Oneida brand, Taylor beverage, and candy coal. What? Just sitting right in the shallow. Wow. A Puma golf shoe. Look at that. Got a glass here. A bunch of cups.
This is an old restaurant bar here. Over the years, there's a lot of plastic cups that have been thrown down here. Beer bottles, beer cans, random stuff. Glad I can clean it out.
That's a cool find. Look at that. Imagine watching a show, ski show, and kids are out here playing out here. Yikes. Rusty nails on this board. Well, I think that's it for over here. Got some stuff. Cool.
Got a bunch of cans, wrappers, the candy, popsicle papers and whatnot for people on the bleachers watching the sports and just kind of throwing them down or whatnot, or maybe losing them. They're kind of hard to reach out to grab them. So if you're ever like on bleachers anywhere or watching water sports, just make sure to be diligent of your trash not dropping, because you won't be able to retrieve it and then the wind will blow it in the waterway.
Well, thanks for doing that, man.
No problem.
Good job. Just finished cleaning up over here at the Minocqua water ski show, Minocqua, Wisconsin. Checking all the stuff we found. Found this really neat longboard, says USA on it. Found a 13/16 wrench, a glass here, someone's Puma golf shoe, a couple bottles, and this one here says Oneida brand, Taylor beverage and candy coal from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Now that is pretty cool. Found this board here with these rusty nails sticking straight up out of it, and that was right offshore here. And if you got kids that come out here and play, I got it right out here. That'd be a bad day stepping on that. A couple shampoo bottles, beer cans. Check out these older ones here. Olympia beer. This one here, got an old style right here. Pretty cool. Love finding these old cans. Got a local here, American Pond Hockey, and a sticker. Found this harness here, kind of right out in this area. Got this here. Got this little whistle here. That's pretty neat. A hairband here. Wausau Paper Mill Coal Store in Brokaw, Wisconsin. A bunch of plastic here, some cups, mask, chunk of PVC. A lot of this plastic here and a lot of these cans were found over by the Thirsty Whale over there. I actually cleaned up the other side of it yesterday, and then I did this side today. And there's a lot more down there, but once you stir it up, you can't see anymore. Woo! Awesome find.
Yeah.